Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a new Apple ID on iPhone easy steps. So let's get started. So here we are in our iPhone, and then from here what you want to do is go into your browser and type in appleid.apple.com, and once you are here then you can go back and then you would be able to see this website. And from here you want to tap on the drop down arrow on the top right of your screen right here, and then you can see the sign in, create your Apple ID, and so on. So we want to select the create your Apple ID because we want to create a new one. And then once you're here, all you have to do basically is just provide all of the necessary informations right here. And from here, you need to provide your Apple ID email right here, and this will be your new Apple ID and so on. And of course, your phone number right here. What you want to make sure is that you don't have the same Apple ID email into your old Apple ID, so that you would have a completely new one right here. So you would need to have a different email and maybe some phone number, but you can try and do the same phone number and see if it works for you. And then the next thing is that you can opt out for this one. These are just optional right here. And then you want to go type this captcha right here. You want to make sure that you have it correct, and then once you're done you can click on continue, and as long as you provide all the correct informations right here, it should be all good. And that is basically how you create a new Apple ID, and that is basically it. Thank you for watching.